Are you frustrated with managing complex JavaScript codebases? Let me take you on a journey into the fascinating world of TypeScript. Picture this: a language that's revolutionizing the way we create web applications. In today's era of intricate web projects, TypeScript shines as a beacon of stability and scalability. As JavaScript's popularity soared, so did the complexity of the applications we built with it. Managing large codebases became a nightmare, riddled with errors and slowdowns. And so, TypeScript was born to ease these growing pains. Imagine a world where you catch errors before even running your code. A world where your code editor understands your intentions and offers helpful suggestions. That's the promise of TypeScript. Once upon a time in the world of web development, there was a powerful tool called TypeScript. If you've been coding in JavaScript, you might have heard whispers about this mysterious TypeScript and wondered what makes it so special. Picture this: TypeScript is like a magical extension of JavaScript. It builds on JavaScript by adding new features and capabilities, making it even more powerful. The best part? Any valid JavaScript code is also valid TypeScript code. So, you can start using TypeScript without having to rewrite your entire JavaScript codebase. But wait, there's more. TypeScript doesn't just stop at being a superset. It introduces a powerful type system to JavaScript, adding a whole new level of robustness and predictability to your code. This type system helps catch errors early in the development process. Imagine JavaScript as a free-spirited artist, full of creative energy but prone to occasional splashes and splatters. It's flexible and dynamic, allowing for rapid development and experimentation. Now, think of TypeScript as a skilled artisan, providing structure and guidance to the artist's vision. It brings order and precision, ensuring that the final creation is both beautiful and functional. TypeScript takes the flexibility and dynamism of JavaScript and adds a layer of static typing. This means you can define the data types of variables, function parameters, and return values, making your code more predictable and easier to debug. By defining these types, you can catch errors at compile time rather than at runtime, which can save a lot of time and effort in the long run. The result? Early error detection, improved code readability, and enhanced collaboration among developers. With TypeScript, teams can work more efficiently, understand each other's code better, and maintain large codebases with greater ease. And so the story of TypeScript continues, bringing magic and order to the world of JavaScript. Imagine you're a developer, diving into the world of TypeScript. What makes it so special? Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the magic behind TypeScript's key features. Our first stop: static typing. Picture this: you're writing code, and you can define exactly what type of data your variables, function parameters, and return values should hold. Whether it's a string, number, or Boolean, you set the rules from the get-go. This is where TypeScript shines. With static typing, you can catch type-related errors early, making your code more robust and reliable. Imagine the relief of spotting a type error during development rather than during a late-night debugging session. TypeScript acts like a vigilant guardian, catching type errors during compilation and saving you from potential headaches. Next, let's talk about the enhanced IDE support that makes TypeScript a joy to work with. Imagine coding in an environment that feels like it was tailor-made for you. That's what you get with TypeScript's exceptional IDE support. These tools are designed to make your coding experience efficient and enjoyable. IDEs like Visual Studio Code, WebStorm, and Atom offer a range of features that elevate your development experience. Picture this: intelligent code completion suggesting possible code completions as you type, real-time error checking highlighting issues instantly, and refactoring tools helping you keep your code clean and maintainable. It's like having a co-pilot guiding you through your coding journey. Finally, let's explore the power of interfaces. Think of interfaces as blueprints for your objects. They define the structure, specifying what properties and methods an object should have. This ensures consistency and maintainability in your code. By using interfaces, you create predictable and understandable code, making it easier to debug and extend. This is especially valuable in large code bases where maintaining consistency can be a challenge. So there you have it. TypeScript's static typing, enhanced IDE support, and interfaces are just a few of the features that make it a powerful tool for modern web development. Ready to dive deeper? Let's continue our journey. Imagine a world where your code is cleaner, your team collaborates effortlessly, and bugs are caught before they wreak havoc. Welcome to the world of TypeScript. Picture this, you're reviewing your code, and it's pristine. That's one of the biggest perks of TypeScript, improved code quality. Now, think about static typing as your trusty sidekick, catching errors early in the development cycle. This means your code becomes more robust and maintainable, reducing the chances of bugs sneaking into production. And let's talk about teamwork. TypeScript enhances collaboration like never before. Imagine working in a team where TypeScript's type annotations serve as clear documentation, making it a breeze to understand and work with each other's code. And here's the cherry on top: JavaScript compatibility. Remember, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. This means you can gradually introduce TypeScript into your existing JavaScript projects without a complete rewrite. It's like upgrading your toolkit without starting from scratch. Welcome to Chapter 5, the tale of TypeScript and JavaScript, a harmonious relationship. Once upon a time, in the world of coding, TypeScript and JavaScript formed a symbiotic bond. TypeScript, the diligent scribe, would transcribe its code into plain JavaScript, a language every browser could understand. This magical transformation ensured that TypeScript's code ran smoothly across the web. Imagine TypeScript as a master chef, crafting a gourmet meal with precision and care. The final dish, JavaScript, is what your users savor and enjoy. Behind the scenes, TypeScript's meticulous preparation ensures a flawless culinary experience for all. Welcome to Chapter 6, Getting Started with TypeScript. Imagine diving into the world of TypeScript, where your JavaScript skills get a supercharged upgrade. Setting up TypeScript is like opening a door to endless possibilities, and it's easier than you think. First, you'll need to install Node.js and NPM, the Node Package Manager. With those in place, the next step is to install the TypeScript compiler globally. Just type this command in your terminal. Now create your first TypeScript file, let's call it. This is where the magic begins. Write your TypeScript code, and when you're ready, compile it into JavaScript with a simple command. This will generate a corresponding file, ready to be included in your web page. And just like that, you're on your way to mastering TypeScript. Welcome to Section 7, where we explore TypeScript in action through various frameworks and examples. Imagine a world where TypeScript reigns supreme in web development. Our first stop is Angular, a powerful framework developed by Google. Picture this, a team at Google crafting dynamic web applications with Angular, all powered by TypeScript. Angular has fully embraced TypeScript, making it the backbone of its development process. Next, let's journey into the world of React. While React is originally a JavaScript library, more and more developers are pairing it with TypeScript. The type-checking capabilities of TypeScript bring a new level of reliability to React components, especially in large-scale projects. Finally, we arrive at Vue.js, known for its simplicity and ease of use. Many Vue.js developers are now adopting TypeScript to enhance the maintainability and robustness of their applications. Welcome to Chapter 8, Overcoming TypeScript Challenges. Imagine you're diving into the world of TypeScript. It's exciting, but like any new adventure, it comes with its own set of challenges. Don't worry though, every hero faces obstacles and you're no different. One of the first hurdles you'll encounter is the initial setup. Picture yourself configuring your development environment to support TypeScript. It might feel like assembling a complex puzzle, especially if you're new to it. Setting up TypeScript isn't overly complex, but it can seem daunting at first glance. Take a deep breath, tackle it step by step, and soon you'll have everything running smoothly. There are countless resources to guide you. Think of websites like TypeScript's official documentation, YouTube tutorials, and coding forums as your trusty companions on this journey. Next, let's talk about the type system. TypeScript's type system is like a powerful tool in your arsenal. But coming from a JavaScript background, it might feel a bit restrictive at times. Remember, you have the type to bypass type checking when you need flexibility. Use it wisely to keep the benefits of TypeScript's type safety intact. Finding the right resources can be overwhelming with so much information out there. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack. With TypeScript's growing popularity, it's crucial to find reliable and up-to-date learning materials. Engage with the TypeScript community through forums and social media to stay in the loop. Stick to official documentation and reputable online courses to ensure you're getting accurate information. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Pluralsight offer comprehensive courses that can help you master TypeScript. Embrace the learning process and soon you'll find yourself overcoming these challenges and leveraging TypeScript to its full potential. Happy coding! Welcome to the final chapter, where we embrace the power of TypeScript. Imagine a world where your web applications are more robust, maintainable, and scalable. That's the world TypeScript opens up for you. Picture yourself coding with confidence, thanks to static typing, enhanced IDE support, and seamless JavaScript compatibility. If you're passionate about elevating your JavaScript skills, TypeScript is your next step. The learning curve is just a small hurdle compared to the long-term benefits it brings to your projects and your coding journey. Happy coding! Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.